Hi, good day everyone. My name is Krishnamurti. My metric number is CN190135. In this video presentation, I am going to present about my bachelor degree project, which is titled as Multi-Purpose Smart Metric Card System using RFID technology. I want to take this opportunity to thank my supervisor, Inche Muhammad Hakimi bin Zohari, for his guidance and help throughout to complete this PSM report. In this slide, we will see about the introduction part, where I will explain about the introduction, the problem statement of the project, the objective of the project, and also the scope of the project. These four are most important part in this presentation, because it will give a clear understanding, a clear image on the project. In this slide, I will explain about the introduction of my project, which is multi-purpose smart metric card system using RFID technology. From this topic, you guys can ask many questions, whether what is metric card. I hope everyone here know what is metric card. What is smart metric card? It's something new, or also someone already know what is smart metric card. And also RFID technology, which is a crucial technology that used to create this multi-purpose smart metric card. And also, what is the actual purpose of metric card for the UTHM student or any other student in this that are studying in universities. Multi-purpose means more than one functions of a specific thing. So the title says as multi-purpose smart metric card, where the smart metric card gives more than one function for the students for their benefits. So we will see what are the multi-purposes of the smart metric card can give for the student in this slide. Metric card is one of the primary things that students receive after they enroll into an educational institution. So all the university students are issued with an ID card, which is understood as a metric card. Apart from the identification, metric card can use for other useful function. Student can access metric card to use library facilities. Student can use the metric card to use other facilities such as sports in the universities. These are the functions that's they're already there using the normal metric card. When we change the metric card into a smart metric card, it will give multiple purposes, multiple functions, multiple advantages when we change the normal metric card into a smart metric card using RFID technology. So the multi-purposes are cashless transaction, attendance system, and also door lock system. In this slide, we will see about the problem statement of the project. Problem statement for a project is important because it helps to clearly identify the goals of the project. So in my project, there are three problem statements. The first problem statement is keeping track of student attendance can be challenging and also can be time consuming if done incorrectly, especially when there are large number of students. So there are few technology they are already there, like QR code, biometric scanning like fingerprint scan are there to track student attendance. However, they are extremely high maintenance and expensive system. Therefore, this project proposes a RFID smart metric card with microcontroller and RFID reader to record student attendance by swiping student metric card, which then store in the memory with microcontroller. The second problem statement of my project is having a physical key can be easily replicated at local hardware shop. So having a physical key in our college Kiriman Pago at UTHM could easily allow the unauthorized people, like the people that we don't know, to enter our room easily. So to prevent such issue, this project proposes RFID based door lock system using smart metric card to allow only the authorized or approved person to lock or unlock the door. The third problem statement is campus life necessitates the student to have extra money on the academic or non-academic items. So, so this allows the student to bring oversized sum of cash in their wallet. So this can be a dangerous situation for students to lose their money or having their wallet lost or forgotten the money where they keep. So this project proposes to develop a smart Matric card payment system using RFID technology in authorized to pay in cashless transaction. So this will assist the student simplifying the purchasing activities. In this slide, we will see about the objective of the project. The goal of this study is to implement RFID technology in student Matric card for multi-purpose. So furthermore, to create a system which RFID Matric card can register in order to act as a multi-purpose smart Matric card for the benefit of students. As a result, smart Matric card has the ability to make student life easier. There are three main objectives of my project. The first one is to build a RFID based door lock system which can be locked or unlocked using our student Matric card in College Kediaman Pagu. The second objective is to develop a cashless payment system which applied RFID technology in authorizing the payment using our student Matric card. The third objective of my project is to design a RFID reader with cloud database for intent of recording student attendance in the lecture hall. There are four scopes in my project. The first scope is this study focus principally in designing multi-purpose smart Matric card system that incorporates with RFID technology. The second scope of my project is this multi-purpose smart Matric card system is developed by using web application development to ensure students can view related information in the system. For example, they can view information regarding attendance or their every entry in their room, and also they can view the balance in their smart Matric card. The third scope is the study implements the data transmission between the smart Matric card and also cloud database using RFID technology. This study also established RFID smart Matric card for the system in order to function appropriately for all the intended users. In this slide, we will discuss about the literature review of the project. Literature review for a project is important to gain an understanding of existing research and also debates that are relevant to the topics. In this topic, we discuss the relationship between RFID technology and also smart Matric card in the process of developing multi-purpose smart Matric card system. In this slide, we will see about the methodology part where I will explain about the methods that used to develop this multi-purpose smart Matric card system using RFID technology, including block diagrams and also flowchart of the system. There are 4 block diagrams in my project. The first one is the overall system block diagram for multi-purpose smart Matric card system. This block diagram contains RFID reader and also the multi-purpose smart Matric card system where we have 3 different functions. These functions are with the smart Matric card we can use for RFID based attendance system, RFID based door lock system and also RFID based cashless payment system in the campus. This RFID card is scanned through the RFID reader and the unique ID card can be registered for all the functions in the system and the data will be saved in the database of the system. In this slide, I will explain about the RFID based attendance system. This block diagram shows the attendance is being performed by using RFID technology. This block diagram consists of Node MCU as microcontroller, RFID reader to read the RFID tag or card, and memory to store all the attendance record for the future reference. LCD display is used to show whether the student attendance has been recorded or the student identification number is not in the lecture or list. LED and buzzer is used to show the indication whether the student attendance has been recorded successfully or unsuccessfully. Real-time module has been used to measure the passage time of the to keep the accurate date in the attendance records. In this slide, I will explain about the RFID based door lock system which apply in the hostel room in College Kediaman Pagu. For the benefit of students, the main important input for this system are the RFID reader to read the Matric card and Node MCU microcontroller to instruct whether to unlock or lock the door based on the system database. In this system, we are using motor driver and DC motor for the lock mechanism for opening and closing of the door. In this slide, we will see about the RFID based cashless payment system which can apply in the campus. This block diagram shows the usage of RFID technology in the cashless payment system using database. This block diagram consists of microcontroller and also system with the cloud database. RFID reader is used to read the Matric card or tag, and barcode scanner is used to scan the purchase items in the mini market at the campus. The function of LED and buzzer to show an indication for the student whether the payment has been successful or unsuccessful. They can also check their balance in the system, whether there are enough money to pay the items or not. In this slide, we will see about the flowchart of the system. So flowchart of the system important for a project because it will identify the important step as well as give a bigger picture of the process how this system works. The first one is the overall system flowchart. The overall system flowchart include RFID based attendance system, RFID based door lock system, and also RFID based cashless payment system. So when a normal RFID card registered in the system, the RFID card is become a multi-purpose smart Matric card because it's already have the three main functions that I mentioned just now. So the admin of the university will give the responsibility for register the student RFID card into the system to become a multi-purpose smart Matric card. Admin can log in into the system by using ID and password that given by the university. This is the web-based system, which is an application that access through the HTTP. So all the data and information that register in the system will store in the cloud database. So the information that's stored in the cloud database will be accessed for each purposes of this RFID smart Matric card. Another figure shown in this slide is the flowchart of RFID based attendance system. In this system, when a student put their Matric card near the reader will read the unique identification number from the Matric card and send to the microcontroller. The microcontroller will compare with the memory database whether the student name is registered in the lecture participant list. If the student name is registered in the lecture participant list, the attendance has been taken successfully and the LCD will display that attendance has been taken successfully. Furthermore, if the student name is not matched with the participant list of lecture, the LCD will display that the student attendance has been taken unsuccessfully because the student name is unregistered for specific course. So we use Node MCU because it has a inbuilt Wi-Fi module which help to send the attendance record to our database in the system. So student or lecturer can view the attendance record from our system from anywhere, anytime because we use RTC module. In this slide, we will see about the other two flowchart of our system, which is RFID based door lock system and also RFID based cashless payment system. For the RFID based door lock system, is use the RFID technology in the door lock system using Node MCU, cloud database. So RFID based door lock system require student Matric card as RFID tags, RFID reader and DC motor, and also cloud database access control for the system to work as a whole. When student comes near the RFID reader, the reader signal locates the information stored on the student metric card and send it past the antennas and transmitter to authorize the tag in the database control. Once the system reads the RFID card, it will check with the database from the system whether the specific person has the authorized or not to unlock the door. If the system gives the authorized to unlock the door after check with the database, then the student name will be displayed in the LCD display, and also LED will turn on to show the indication that the system approved the specific person to enter the room, as well as the student identification number is not authorized by the system to unlock the door, and the LCD will display that no authorized given by the LCD to unlock the door, as well as red LED and buzzer will turn on to give indication. So this RFID door lock system is automatically store and making it available to track every entry of the activities in the database. So we can use the system to track every entry. Another figure in this slide shows the flowchart of the RFID based cashless payment system. This system can be used by students when they make any payment in the shop within the campus. They can use the RFID metric card to make the cashless transaction in the shop. So once the reader scan the RFID metric card, it will compare the information with the cloud database. The information will be printed out by the user interface based on the unique identification number that contained in the database. The scanner used to scan the barcode image of the purchased items from the shop. When the student scans the metric card, the system will display the information on the student as well as the current balance of the student metric card. After scanning the product the student want to buy, the system will automatically deduct the entire price of the items that student purchase. If the current balance in the metric card of the student is not enough to make the purchase, then the red LED and also buzzer will turn on to show the indicator that the purchase cannot be complete because the balance in the student metric card is not enough, as well as the student metric current balance in the student metric card is enough to make the purchase. Then the green LED will turn on to show the indication that the payment has been successfully accepted. Also, student can reload or top up their money in the metric card from the financial staff in the universities. So they need to go to the financial department, and the system and the staff from the financial department can log in into the system that we created to reload the money in the student metric card based on how much the student want to top up. In this slide, we will see about the expected result of the project. The expected result of my project will be to develop a system that can register a normal RFID card that can make a multi-purpose smart metric card for student benefits. In this system, student will be offered the option to obtaining the RFID based multi-purpose smart metric card for the usage in the campus. The benefit of this smart metric card can greatly simplify the lives of students. People nowadays are willing to embrace anything that makes their jobs easier. They are continually searching for all-in-one solutions. Smart card with RFID technology solution is critical in student life because this will makes the student life much easier, because this smart metric card got multiple functions for the benefit of the students. That's all from me. Thank you for giving your time to listening to my presentation for PSM1. Thank you very much.